What's up guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and today I'm going to show you how you can make your Samsung QLED blend into the background. Big thanks to box.co.uk for sending over this 8K Samsung QN800A, and if you want to pick up one for yourselves from Box, then you'll take advantage of the free 6-year protection plan that is included, the free delivery and the fact that they price match all the major competitors. So please go check out their link in the description. Now, in order to get this up and running, the first thing that we need to do is go to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store and download the Samsung SmartThings app. And once you've downloaded this, you're going to want to set up an account using an email and password. Now, once you have done all that, you're going to want to open up your app, and then with any luck, it should find your TV. And then you are going to go to Add Now. If for some reason it doesn't, then go to the plus symbol up there and add the TV manually. Now it's asking me if I want to set it as a location of home and living room, which I'm going to say yes. And it's now connecting to the screen. And it's asking me to enter the PIN onto my phone from what I see on the screen. There we go, we are now all connected up. Now that's all done, if we take a look at the SmartThings app, we are now able to control the TV so we can turn it on and off and basically use the phone as a remote control. Next, what we're going to want to do is go to Ambient mode. Click on that. Then up the top, we're going to scroll across just here until we get to Info. Now, once we are in Info, we're going to go to Style and Settings. Now, as you can see, I've already got a background set up, but if you are doing it for the very first time, you do have a couple of options. You have Basic and Auto. So if I click on Auto, you will see what it does. It allows you to use your phone's camera to basically take a picture of the TV and its surroundings. So you have to get this box around the TV, which I can't do at the moment because I'm a bit too close to the screen. But once you do, it will take a photograph of the TV and the surroundings, and it will try and match the surrounding on your TV screen. Now, I personally had some issues using the auto mode as it included a few areas of the lounge like these rails up here on the screen, and it looked a bit weird. So what I done instead, I used the basic mode. And what this allows you to do is to take an image from either the left, right, or from above the TV. So it's just give you a quick demonstration. I'm going to press on right. What you've got to do is match that box up with the box on the TV screen. So if I just do that quickly, there we go. It takes a photograph, and then it should give us an option then of a couple of images. So as you can see, that one there on the left is including a little bit of the lamp, which is just over there on the right. So I'm going to pick this one just here, but as you can see, we've got a few like sort of dodgy bits in the middle. So what I can do is just sort of rub down there like that. And with a little bit of work, you can eventually get it looking all neat and tidy. Now, once you're happy with the image, you press on View on TV. Now, once you've done that, what you're going to do is come back to this menu and scroll all the way across to Background Theme. And if in the background, you've got like the clock, weather, that sort of thing, you're going to press View on TV. And then that should then disappear. And we're going to go to Style and Settings. And in here, we can change things like the brightness, saturation, color tone, so on and so forth. So let's just give you a quick demonstration of that. Whack the brightness up or down and just that saturation. And then hopefully we can get the perfect match. And there you go then, guys. Now, don't get me wrong, it isn't perfect, but with a bit of messing around and a little bit of time, you can get it to look pretty convincing. So just bear with it. Experiment with the different sort of angles, like I said, maybe taking the photograph from one side or the other or from above, just see which one works best for you. Now, if you have enjoyed this video, do us a favor, hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so, because I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers and I can only do it with your help. So thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.